All right, cool. So after you create your account on Breezing, you want to structure organizations in companies based on the entities that you have. So for example, let's say we're talking about KPMG. So we'll have like, let's say a KPMG US, and then we can do like a KPMG, let's say Switzerland. And then within these KPMG US and Switzerland, we'll kind of start to add some companies. So here we have like KPMG US. We can add like let's say we're working with the graph in the US. Throw in USD, save it, and we have the graph here. And then we can get out of KPMG US, we can go to KPM Switzerland. And let's say then in Switzerland, we're working with like SAFE. And then in Switzerland, we'll use the CHF currency in Switzerland. And then let's say another one in Switzerland, we're working with, I don't know, we'll say working with Casper Labs. This one also, let's say these guys are actually also CHF. So we'll go okay. So here you can add as many companies as you want under the KPM Switzerland. The same goes for KPM US. The same goes too if you have like a group of companies. So let's say you have a consolidated group of companies with multiple, let's say, jurisdictions. So let's use an example. I use the graph again. Let's say the graph as a holding. Underneath the graph, you may have like the graph US in USD, for example. And then you could also have, let's say, the graph Switzerland CHF. So you can kind of also consolidate it under a group holding as well. That's the kind of structure you're looking at when you first build organizations and companies in Breezing. And then I'll elaborate a little bit further as to why that's important.